Hello everyone. In this video we will be doing food tech quiz number 2. Topic food preservation. It consists of 20 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Preserving food by canning is also known as dash. Options: A. Pasteurization, B. Sterilization, C. Appertization. Correct answer C. Appertization. Question number 2. What is the preservative used in many processed meats? Options: A. Sodium benzoate, B. Sodium nitrite, C. Sodium metabisulfite. Correct answer B. Sodium nitrite. Question number 3. Dash is used as anti-mold agent in bread. Options: A. Calcium propionate, B. Potassium bromate, C. Sorbic acid. Correct answer A. Calcium propionate. Question number 4. Use of UV rays in preservation of food could be called as dash. Options: A. Sun drying, B. Dehydration, C. Irradiation. Correct answer C. Irradiation. Question number 5. Dash is the process of breaking down of complex matter into simple ones with aid of enzymes and bacteria. Options: A. Standardization, B. Formulation, C. Fermentation. Correct answer C. Fermentation. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a permitted preservative in food products? Options: A. Formalin, B. Benzoic acid, C. Sorbic acid. Correct answer A. Formalin. Question number 7. The growth of psychrophiles in meat is characterized by dash. Options: A. Slime formation, B. Whiskers, C. Stickiness. Correct answer A. Slime formation. Question number 8. Thermophiles can best grow above temperature of dash degree Celsius. Options: A. 40 degrees Celsius, B. 45 degrees Celsius, C. 50 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B. 45 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. Headspace in can should be at least dash centimeter. Options: A. 1.6 centimeter, B. 2 centimeter, C. 4.6 centimeter. Correct answer A. 1.6 centimeter. Question number 10. Sterilization of liquid food by direct steam injection is called dash. Options: A. Steamization, B. Vaporization, C. Appertization. Correct answer B. Vaporization. Question number 11. Enzyme responsible for the conversion of sugar to alcohol and CO2. Options: A. Amylase, B. Fermentase, C. Zymase. Correct answer C. Zymase. Question number 12. The virus which causes lysis of bacterial cells is called dash. Options: A. Bacteriophage, B. Retrovirus, C. Rhinovirus. Correct answer A. Bacteriophage. Question number 13. Storage under vacuum is called dash. Options: A. Hyperbaric storage, B. Hyperbaric storage, C. Vacuumization. answer B. Hyperbaric storage. Question number 14. The process in which half of the moisture is removed before freezing is called dash. Options: A. Lyophilization, B. Freeze drying, C. Dehydrofreezing. Correct answer C. Dehydrofreezing. Question number 15. Combination of one or more than one methods for synergistic preservation is called dash. Options: A. Combined processing, B. Hurdle technology, C. Food processing. Correct answer B. Hurdle technology. Question number 16. Dash is used for inhibiting fungal growth and non-enzymatic browning in fruit juices. Options: A. Sulfur dioxide, B. Sodium benzoate, C. Sorbic acid. Correct answer A. Sulfur dioxide. Question number 17. The preservation method involving stabilization of albumin quality of holding eggs in oil bath is called dash. Options: A. Thermostabilization, B. Lipostabilization, C. Coagulation. Correct answer A. Thermostabilization. Question number 18. Egg should be stored at the temperature of dash degree Celsius. Options: A. 5 degrees Celsius, B. 15 degrees Celsius, C. 25 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B. 15 degrees Celsius. Question number 19. Which of the following acid is not used as preservative in food? Option: A. Sulfuric acid, B. Benzoic acid, C. Citric acid. Correct answer A. Sulfuric acid. Question number 20. The method of preserving food by canning is discovered by the scientist dash. Options: A. Louis Pasteur, B. Thomas Edison, C. Nicholas Appert. Correct answer C. Nicholas Appert. Now, how many answers you made it right? What is your score out of 20? Let us know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.